Intimidating.
Sorry?
Can you not surround me?
But you're in my workplace.
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay, but there's no need to
want,
stand so
back,
close.
Stand back. But you're in my workplace.
So this is an intimidation tactic.
No, it's not. You're in my workplace.
Why are you standing so close? Is there
I'm
not
in my
COVID?
workplace.
Should we not have 2 meters distance?
You should, yeah.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not.
So.
Yeah, you're in his
I'm not causing a
my
problem.
workplace.
I'm not causing an issue. Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's standing.
You're recording official. You're not allowed to record official vehicles.
I'm filming from public.
I'm saying to you, you're not allowed to record.
Is there an
official
offence?
Yeah, you're recording Garda vehicle reg numbers coming in and out. Do you know what I mean? There's also code to the gate there.
It's your job. It's your job to secure it.
Recording for?
Just making a video.
For what though? Public interest for what?
People want to see this. Morning.
What do they want to see?
The encounter immediately becomes tense when the officer challenges the auditor for filming and claims that recording the location is an offense. The auditor pushes back, repeatedly asking what specific offense has actually been committed. The situation escalates when the officer questions his identity and authority to film. This is the strongest opening because viewers immediately see the central conflict. Officers challenging filming while the auditor demands the exact legal basis for their claims.
I'm just making a video.
Yeah, you can't record a guard station. It's an offence.
Oh. Is it an offence?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Can you
Sorry.
stop recording?
Why? I thought I could. Can you get your hand off me?
What's your name?
Am I required to give my name?
Yes.
I thought you can film from public.
You're committing an offence here.
What
recording
offence?
A guard station.
What
recording
offence?
a guard station.
What's the offence?
It's an offence to record a guard station.
It's not an offence.
Yes, it is.
I've done my research. I'm sure it's not an offence.
It is.
What offence is it?
What's this in relation to anyway?
It's just a video matter of public interest. Can you just relax a bit? There was no need to like touch me and stuff. Like we can have a conversation. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, there's my number there now.
What's your name?
I'm not required to give any names. Unless you suspect me of committing an offence.
It's an offence to record a guard
What
station.
offence is it? Look, I'm not trying to be difficult. I came to the front office and told you what I was doing. We didn't seem to have any issues. He's just come up to me, tried to grab me. I understand you got the section 24 power, but that's only if I've contravened any other section of the Public Order Act. Do you mind identifying yourself? And your name?
There's my number.
He was very aggressive, very hostile. No need for that. Pick it back up.
What's this in relation anyway, the video?
It's just a video for matters of public interest, as I explained at the counter. So what's going to happen now? You're aware it's not an offence to film from public? He doesn't want to talk.
How long do you plan on staying here?
So as long as it takes
What takes?
my film to film. Is there anything else I can help you with? Excuse me.
Sorry.
I'll ask you a question.
What chance, man?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, is there anything I can help you with?
No.
Would you mind stop filming the guard station then?
I'm free to film. All right, we'll pick this back up. Morning.
Yeah.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm just making a video.
Of what?
The Garda station,
For what purpose?
the matters of public interest.
The confrontation intensifies as officers question why the auditor is recording official vehicles and repeatedly demand an explanation for his actions. The auditor refuses to accept vague accusations and keeps asking which law requires him to answer their questions. The exchange becomes particularly interesting when the discussion moves toward immigration, identification, and legal obligations. The auditor insists that he is filming from a public place and has researched his
Public
rights.
interest.
Public interest for what?
The public are interested in videos like this.
And for what though? Like, is that you're recording official? It is. You're not allowed to record official vehicles.
I'm filming from
coming in and
I'm
out.
filming from public.
I'm saying to you, you're not allowed to record.
Is there an
official
offence?
Yeah, you're recording Garda vehicle reg numbers coming in and out. Do you know what I mean? There's also code to the gate there.
It's
Right,
your
so
job. It's your
what are
job
you
to
actually
secure it.
recording for?
Just making a video.
For what though? Public interest for what?
People want to see this. Morning.
What do they want to see? Guards
Just wanna
coming in
see
and out.
videos like this.
You're recording official vehicles coming in and out of a
I'm
secure
not
area.
filming official
Yeah,
vehicles.
it is official.
Where are
It's
you from,
official
sir?
marked.
From here.
From where here? I didn't
Is
give
it
you
relevant?
I didn't give you permission to record me.
I don't need your permission. I'm filming from public.
You do need
Alright,
your permission
okay.
to record.
What country are you from?
It's irrelevant.
No, it is relevant.
Why?
For visa stats.
Do you think that I've entered the country illegally?
Where are you from?
It's not relevant.
It's a question.
Okay, and I've answered the question.
What's your answer?
I don't believe I'm entitled to answer. I don't think it's relevant to
You
what
are
I'm
in a
doing.
public place and you're being asked a question.
Okay. Am I required by law to answer the question?
Yeah, you are.
What law am I obliged?
Sorry?
Which law obligates me to answer?
Oh, where are you from?
Doesn't matter.
Sorry?
Doesn't matter. Do you suspect that I've entered illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Sorry?
Do you suspect?
I can't hear you.
Do you suspect that I've entered the country illegally?
Which country?
Ireland.
Ireland. Are you from Ireland?
Perhaps.
Sorry?
Perhaps.
Well, can I see some identification?
No, I don't have any ID.
You don't?
No.
Alright. Okay. You don't have any ID on your person whatsoever?
None.
None. Okay. You know, you'd be able to tell us who you are and where you're from.
I don't have to.
Sorry?
I don't have to.
It says who?
It's my obligation not to.
In what country?
Under section 43 of the Irish Constitution, I have the right to assemble here.
Sorry?
Section 43, or Article 43.
No, we have sections. We don't have articles. They have articles in the UK.
Okay, well, the Irish
I think
Constitution.
you're mixing your countries up now.
I'm not mixing my countries up, but I have the right
Might
to
be.
assembly. Section 6, subsection 1. I have the right to assemble here. I'm just doing some filming. There's nothing more to it than that. I am allowed.
You're not allowed.
I've done my
It's
research. I
you're-
wouldn't be
you
irresponsible.
haven't. Do you know what I mean? You're
I
mixing
have.
up what country
So
as
what-
well. You're
what,
Ireland and you're second. You are not allowed.
Excuse
okay?
me?
Of your press credentials.
I don't
This
have
is
any
one of
press.
the strongest sections. The officer escalates from questioning to giving the auditor an order to leave, citing a legal section. Instead of simply complying, the auditor immediately asks what offense he has committed and what legal basis allows the order. The officers then move closer, creating a visibly tense atmosphere. The auditor repeatedly asks them not to surround him and argues that he is being intimidated while exercising his right to film from a public area.
I don't have any press credentials.
No credentials. You're no.
I don't need any credentials. I'm a member of the public, filming from public.
Official guard of the vehicle.
It's not an
This
offence
is
to do
actually-
so.
Yeah, this actually is. This belongs to the station. Do you know what I mean? So you're not actually allowed
What
to-
information could I pull from that registration?
You can. Do you know what I mean? It's not allowed. It's prohibited.
I don't think it is. I've done my research. I wouldn't be irresponsible. I have.
So I'm giving you an order now to leave the area, please. You're
What's
not
that,
allowed
under
to film me. You
section
do not have
8?
my permission. You do not have my permission to film me. You
I
do
don't
not
need
have my-
anyone's
because
permission.
You do actually.
So you're
actually
ordering me
fine,
under
you do.
section 8 of the
I'm
Public Order
ordering
Act?
you, You're not allowed record.
Just public order act.
Yeah, so section 8. Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act?
Sorry?
Have I contravened any other section of the Public Order Act for you to give me a directive under section 8?
You've been informed.
Yes, but on what basis?
Give your name and address as well. That's section 24.
Yeah, but I haven't contravened any section of the Public Order Act.
You're refusing to give that. You have no ID.
I haven't committed any offences, have
no
I?
ID, on you whatsoever.
I don't need any ID.
You're saying you won't even give your details, and then you're filming.
Can you not surround me, please?
No.
Can you not surround me, please? I'm feeling very intimidated.
Sorry?
Can you not surround me?
But you're in my workplace.
But I'm filming from public.
No, you're in my workplace.
Okay, but there's no need
If you
to
want,
stand so
back.
close.
Stand back. But you're in my workplace.
So this is an intimidation tactic.
No, it's not. You're in my workplace.
Why are you standing so close? Is there
I'm
not
in my
COVID?
workplace.
Should we not have 2 meters distance?
You should, yeah.
Well, you're coming up to me.
No, this is my workplace.
Okay, I understand that. I'm not
You're in his
I'm not
You're in
causing
my
a problem.
workplace.
I'm not causing an issue. Can you not stand so close? Look how close this guy's standing.
You're in my workplace.
Alright. Can you have a word with, I don't feel like there's any need for this. I've communicated, I've explained what I'm doing.
You haven't explained. You said public interest.
With all
You
due
haven't
respect,
given
I don't need to
any
explain.
explanation whatsoever.
Excuse me? I'm just making a video.
For what?
People are interested in seeing these
In what?
videos.
Seeing what? The patrol cars driving in.
No,
the
they want to
middle of
see.
the
They want to
estate?
see how the authorities react to people filming from public, and they want to see
For
the
what
authorities
purpose, though? You were asked.
respect
You
their
can't
rights.
You can't even give a genuine reason, an explanation why you're recording.
I don't need to have a reason
But
or an
you're
explanation.
you're filming us, and you have absolutely no explanation.
The argument
I do-
becomes increasingly heated as several officers challenge the auditor over why he is filming and demand an explanation. He maintains that the purpose is to observe how authorities respond to members of the public exercising their rights. The officers question whether he is acting on behalf of taxpayers. While the auditor refuses to provide personal information, he says he is not legally required to give. The tension peaks when he accuses them of trying to intimidate and surround him.
No explanation for
I
what
do have an explanation.
You don't have an
I
explanation.
do.
You don't.
Rest
I
assured.
told you I don't want to be on footage.
Well, you're
I have a
welcome-
right
you're
do
welcome
that.
to-
You're in our workplace.
I'm not
You
in your
don't understand.
workplace.
You are. This is
I'm
our
in a
workplace.
public place.
No, it's not. This is our workplace.
So this isn't a public place.
This is our workplace. All this is. This is part.
I'm aware, but it can be filmed from public.
No, it can't. Really? I said to you, you can't even give a proper explanation. as
There
to
is an
recording.
there is a proper
For what?
explanation.
You're not.
Matters of public interest. The
Of
public
what?
are interested to see how their tax money is being spent. Interactions between the public and the authorities.
You can't even tell us where you're from, so we don't even know.
I
if
don't
you're a
need to. I
taxpayer.
don't need to tell you.
So why are you saying you're doing it on behalf of taxpayers when you can't prove you're a taxpayer?
I don't need to prove I'm a taxpayer. What about
You're a
other
hypocrite.
taxpayers?
You're a hypocrite.
Okay, let's reserve our opinions. You're in
But
uniform. You're at
You
work.
prove it and not have a discussion with you, but at the moment you're just a hypocrite.
Okay, I'll be a hypocrite. Why are you standing so close, bro? There's no need for this.
I'm not your bro.
I'm not your. All right.
I'm just curious. I like your phone, you see.
You're trying to intimidate me. Can you tell him to pack it in? There's no need. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why do I need to stop recording? I'm just expressing my right to film from public. This is very unprofessional behaviour. Excuse me.
There's private cars as well in there. You have no right to record our private cars.
They're not exempt from being filmed.
No, yeah, they are.
They're not.
You have no. There's a security issue, right? But you have no right to record.
Okay, well, rest assured, I haven't got.
You have no right to record private vehicles.
Actually,
in
if
that
they're in
car.
public or anything
They're
I can
not in
see
a
from
public
public,
place.
but I can
That's
film
a
them from
private-
public.
No, it's a private area. You're not allowed to record private car. There's a national security with regards to it.
Insecurity in regards to what?
Because they're guards, private vehicles.
Okay,
Yeah.
I wouldn't have known that.
Yeah, well, they are. Well, what did you think they were?
Excuse me? I have done my homework, but I can film anything from public. This is very unprofessional.
No, it's not. You're reporting me. I can record you.
But this whole trying to surround me, intimidate me,
He's allowed to record you.
The
You're in a
officers
public
shift their argument toward private vehicles, registration numbers, and security concerns. They claim there are issues with recording vehicles associated with the station, while the auditor repeatedly argues that he is standing in a public place and can film what is visible from there. The disagreement becomes a battle over what the officers believe is a security concern versus what the auditor believes is a lawful filming activity. The officer eventually tells him to research the relevant legislation.
He's allowed to record you. You're in a public place.
You seem quite reasonable. I'd rather speak with you. You two, I don't know,
You two what?
what's going
You were
on.
asked- You were asked a question why you were recording.
They're right. Recording guarded vehicles.
And private.
Okay, is it an offence?
to record private vehicles?
I haven't been able to make out any private
No,
vehicles.
really. Who are we going by? You saying that?
But regardless, they can be filmed.
Sorry, it's safety as well.
And your CCTV cameras
It's
film everyone's
safety.
private cars.
It's safety.
Okay, I'm not
Okay?
here to.
So we're working in it like for security and safety. Okay, so there is an issue around recording our private vehicles and our reg numbers. Do you know what I mean? We don't know what purpose you're going to be using this for. Exactly.
Just for my own recreation.
No, for what? We have an issue with regards to that. I have an issue with my...
It's not a security risk.
It is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Who? Says you. It's a complete stranger who won't give over any of your information.
I don't need to give over my information.
Oh, we know.
I'm expressing my
God knows
rights.
what you're linked to. Do you know what I mean? So my point is,
Linked to what?
I don't want my personal vehicle reg being anywhere.
It's not going to be
You
anywhere,
don't
don't
have
worry.
my authority. Yeah, I have what? A stranger's word for that.
Okay, well, you have to go on based on what you know. Not everyone is.
Everything. You don't have a right.
I'm not a
to
criminal,
fill in my-
like, you can't just suspect
Did
me.
I say you were? Yeah. But we don't know who you are.
Well,
Yeah, and
you
I'm
can't
saying
treat
you do
everyone
not-
as a suspect.
You do not have the right to record our own.
Well, technically
private
I do.
No, you don't. It's private spot. You do not.
CCTV
You do
cameras
not.
can-
You do not. That's different. You do not. You're a private person. You do not have a right to record private reg and use them for whatever purposes. You don't. So go back and look up your legislation.
You okay?
Right, yeah, you.
Yeah. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Sorry, well, I
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Guard.
God.
Yep.
All right.
As I said, I like your phone, it's nice.
Thanks.
Where'd you get it?
It's an iPhone.
An iPhone?
Yeah.
What type of iPhone?
iPhone XR. Can you just leave me alone? Like, I feel
Well,
a little
I'm in
bit
my
harassed.
workplace. I'm entitled to do whatever I want in my workplace.
Well, no, well, technically you're not. Like,
I am actually. It's part
we're
of the
in a
station.
public place.
Yeah.
You're just kind of coming up to me, circling me, surrounding me.
Oh,
with,
as I
like,
said, it's a nice phone. I'm thinking of getting one myself, you see.
so you're not trying to intimidate me.
No.
Yeah, how about this? Do you want this? From me to you.
The encounter
gift?
takes an unexpected turn when an officer comments on the auditor's phone. The auditor sarcastically offers to give him the phone if that would make the officers leave him alone, but the offer is rejected. The conversation then returns to whether he can continue filming. The auditor refuses to stop, explaining that the recording is part of a civil rights exercise. The officers eventually back away from escalating the situation, leaving the auditor to explain his final
From me
thoughts.
to you.
A gift?
It's an iPhone 8, yeah. If I give you this, will you leave me alone?
But I'm not doing nothing with you.
You say you wanted a phone. Here, take this phone.
Sorry?
Take this phone.
Oh, no, I don't want any of your property, so no.
Okay.
I couldn't deprive you of your phone. Why do you have two phones?
Yeah.
That's nice.
But how can we proceed? Like, can we find a resolution? Like,
Yes, that's recording.
I can't just stop recording
Why can you not stop recording?
because this is part of like a civil rights thing. I can't just concede to what you're saying.
It's not conceding to what we're saying. So what's your plan? To stand here all day?
No.
How much footage do we need? My rights as a person either. I told you I don't want to be filmed. He told you he doesn't want to be filmed. So you're not respecting any of that.
If you're in public, you don't have any.
I do have rights. So
Any
what?
rights?
I have rights?
Not.
Called humanity.
I actually do have rights.
Yeah, I know. I.
It's not hard.
And you're not
Rights.
showing any respect or dignity towards argument.
Listen, if the camera's upsetting you, then that's on you. Like,
It's not on us.
it's just like the feelings
You
police.
didn't
Like,
like him standing in front of you. So
yeah,
why
but that's
is
a
it
little
any
bit different, isn't it?
No, it's not.
You're a hypocrite if you've shown no respect and no humanity towards us.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Well, if you fancy standing there in the rain, knock yourself out.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Like, see you later, lads. Yeah, and if I find you outside you filming any private vehicle registers, it would be a different story.
Okay.
Or a code into...
Thank you. Listen, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I have to hold back a little bit I have to hold back just a little bit because I shouldn't really, but I have to hold back just a little bit because I don't know, I don't want him to start moving mad, arresting me and this and that. I'm surprised that they didn't actually push further for details. I'm surprised they didn't push for it a bit more. So she was very set on the whole private number plate thing. And I wanted to tell her, listen, I can film your car all I like. But at the same time, I don't know. At the same time, I don't want to provoke her too much. Because yeah, they did seem a little bit lawless. The guy in the car seemed a little bit more understanding. I could just tell by his body language. But that big fella and the lady, yeah. They had their own ideas. But anyway, probably gonna wrap this up right here. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. But yeah, gonna wrap this up here. That was, what was the place called again? Irish Town Garda Station. So I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Go to curlycoin.com. Join the Telegram group chat. Links will be pinned. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Burks_2H. And yeah, peace.